Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about South Florida Premier Air Conditioning Service. Contending with South Florida temperature extreme is easy if you have a heating and air conditioning contractor you can trust for prompt, dependable, and affordable work. For over 40 years, our family owned and operated company has helped home and business owners with their heating and cooling needs, from air conditioning repair to maintaining heat pumps to installing a ductless system. You can rely on HIVAC air conditioning service. We are a full service provider of HVAC service for Parkland, West Boca, Plantation, and Miramar, and many other areas. Certified experience. Our technicians are factory trained and have mastered all aspects of HVAC service, and they also undergo constant training so that they will always be at top of their game. We believe that staying informed of advances in air conditioning technology is one of best way we can guarantee satisfaction for our customer, whether we are handling an air conditioning repair or installing a new heat pump. We are licensed, bonded, and insured. Air conditioning repair installation service. B. Heating repair and installation and service. Preventative maintenance. Indoor air quality solution. Commercial HVAC. And then why choose high VAC air conditioning service? At high VAC air conditioning service, we realized that it can be difficult to find an air conditioning company that you can trust. While many companies can handle the AC repair, we strive to go above and beyond basis. We are honest, reliable, and guarantee professional 24 by 7 service from South Florida. Choice for air conditioning installation, service, maintenance, and repair since 1970. When you choose high VAC air conditioning service for your air conditioning and ventilation needs, you will have our 100% satisfaction guarantee and first rate service. Expensive experience, competitive pricing, the quality performance at affordable rates, extensive experience. We can handle any job. The skilled technicians, trained professional, friendly and available. After hours and service, we are there for you. Basically, contending with South Florida temperature extreme is easy if you have a heating and air conditioning contractor you can trust for prompt and dependable and affordable work for over 40 years. Our family owned and operated company has helped home and business owners with their heating and cooling needs, from air conditioning repair to maintaining heat pump to installing a ductless system. You can rely on high VAC air conditioning service. We are full service provider of HVAC service for Parkland and West Boca, Plantation, Miramar, Pembroke Pines and Coral Springs, Sunrise, Dave, Southwest, Merchants, FL and surrounding area. Technicians are factory trained and have mastered all aspects of HVAC service. They also undergo the constant training so that they will always be at the top of their game. We believe that staying informed of advances in air conditioning technology is one of the best way we can guarantee satisfaction for our customer. Whether we are handling an air conditioning repair or installing a new heat pump. The features are air conditioning repair, installation and service, the heating repair, installation and service, preventative maintenance, indoor air quality and commercial HVAC. Basically at HIVAC air conditioning service, we realized that it can be difficult to find an air conditioning company that you can trust. While many companies can handle AC repair, we strive to go above and beyond the basics. We are honest, reliable, and guarantee the professional 24 by 7 service from South Florida. Number one choice for air conditioning installation service, maintenance, and repair service since 1970. When you choose air conditioning service of HIVAC for your air conditioning and ventilation, you'll have our 100% satisfaction guarantee and first rate service. Thank you for watching.